At the resumed hearing, counsel to the first respondent, Oyechi Piazu SAN, informed the tribunal that INEC is ready to open the defense on the petition filed by the People's Democratic Party and its governorship candidate Osagie Izeyamu. The INEC counsel said they have led copious evidence during the cross-examination of the petitioner's witnesses and applied to the tribunal to tender documents which will enhance their defense. He added that they might not call witnesses to give oral evidence. Counsel to Governor Godwin Obaseki Ken Mozia SAN and counsel to APC Lateef Agbemi SAN did not object to the application of the INEC counsel to tender 10 copies of Forms EC8B, which are ward results of Uhumode local government area, but suggested that the first respondent prepares a schedule that will make the presentation of the document easier. Although counsel to the petitioners Kemi Pinheiro did not object to the suggestion of the defense counsel as it relates to the scheduling of the document, but said that if INEC is seeking for an adjournment, the 2 days should be subtracted from their statutory 10 days, as according to him, the respondent sought to tender documents that have already been admitted as exhibits before the tribunal. The petitioner's counsel insisted that since the documents that the petitioners tendered at the tribunal are documents of INEC, the ideal thing is for INEC to call their witnesses to identify the document instead of doing otherwise. Just before the tribunal admitted the documents as exhibits, the petitioner's counsel Kemi Pinheiro SAN asked for 10 minutes from the tribunal to examine the documents if they were the same with the others that have been admitted as evidence, and it was granted by the tribunal. The tribunal chairman, Justice Ahmed Badamasi, directed counsel to INEC to file an application for the proposed scheduling and serve same on parties, while the parties are expected to jointly inspect the materials this Saturday. Counsel to all the parties speak on Friday's proceedings.
You know that normally when a party seeks to tender documents, the other parties are entitled to examine the document, indicate whether or not they are objecting before it is admitted. Now, the tribunal has directed that the parties should now meet, come to the tribunal, inspect all the other documents they intend to tender.
What happened today was a repeat of what transpired when the petitioners were about to open their case. You recall that what they did first was to tender what the documents they felt they would be needing. And in that regard, the court ordered that the documents be inspected.
Call witnesses if you have to call witnesses. We'll look at the evidence they have led. We'll look at the fact that most of their witnesses contradicted themselves. Now, if their witnesses damage their own case, it is not for us to call witnesses to repair their case.
INEC, who is the main respondent and whose conduct is being called to question in this petition, has failed on the 5th day today to call any evidence or lead any facts to rebut the avalanche of evidence that has been marshaled against them. They now sought today to tender some set of documents, which documents were the same set of documents the petitioner has tendered, verified by them, certified by them. So we had to insist that today, being a wasted day, should be counted as their number of days.
This will be the 3rd time that the Edo State Governorship Election Petitions Tribunal sitting in Benin will be adjourning since the petitioners closed their case last Friday. INEC now have less than 1 week to defend the petition after they applied for an adjournment last week Tuesday to enable them prepare their witnesses. The tribunal is expected to reconvene next week Monday. From the Edo State Governorship Election Petitions Tribunal sitting in Benin, Edo State capital, Best Mbiere reporting.